3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we had an upset already in match number 1. Excited to see what's going to happen here. Alliance 4 v5, 31-97. That's the Hex Hounds. Note bounces just off, as does 93. So not getting all of those in. 45-31 for Blue is able to score another note in Autonomous. Drivers take the controls. Red does have a 7-point advantage. And even though Red didn't score all those notes, having them on their side of the field will make quick work of the amp. 1675 lining up. They deposit one. Their partners, the Hex Hounds, immediately try to get a second. Bounces just a bit out. Meanwhile, for Blue, 706, 8744, driving in tandem down towards the source area. Looks like getting a little bit of defense from 93 before they head over to the subwoofer. A little bit of a short shot. Here comes the Leviathans out of the Pablo Center, making their way back. Playing a little opportunistic defense, maybe feeding a little bit, trying to feed their partners. We're all tied up here at 33 apiece with just 90 seconds left in the match. Another one for Leviathans. The first feed went out, as does the second. Got to get that dialed in if they want those notes to be in an opportune spot for their partners. Up and in for Steampunk, who now makes their way down. Check that, turns around to try and pick up a note from their partner, the Leviathans. Just under a minute, Red has an 8-point lead. We see Hex Hound scoring up into the speaker. Their partner's UPS. Note in possession. They deposit that into the amp. Nice mechanism from UPS, able to get it in there securely each time. 45 seconds here. The Appleton machine takes aim and scores. Human player quick on the draw, able to amplify. Cedarburg adds another one. Those two notes going to be 10 points total. That's going to extend Red's lead, starting to pull away now. Just under 20 points separating these two alliances. Cedarburg able to score that one in the amp. One more from their partners would be ready to amplify for Red. That guitar riff means it's time for the end game. Drivers have to be careful not to contact opponents. You don't want to give them free points here in the end game. We see 1675 already in their spot. Climbs going up. First for 93 on Red. Steampunk doing the same for Blue as this match comes to a close. All right, let's take a look at the results of playoff match number 2. This one's going home to the Red Alliance. 74-54. Alliance 4 will maintain their position in the upper bracket as Alliance 5 heads down to the lower bracket as we continue here in the M-Rock